So here's a quick start guide for your Insta360 GO3S camera. So when you purchase the set, you will get these accessories. You have the camera, the Insta GO360 camera. You have the action pod. There's a necklace, a magnetic necklace, so you can use it, and while you're wearing it around your neck. And then there's a couple of mounts that you can use, which I will show you quickly. And the camera turns on as long as you charge it. There's one button on the top, the red. Just press it and it will record right away. So here's the action pod. In order for you, if you want to mount the 360 camera in the action pod, that's how you do it. You just make sure it's aligned with the magnet, and if you need to release it, you can just push that release button, and that's how easy it is. And there is another mount that you can use. I have not tested how the bottom of it holds up, but once you have that magnet attached, it's very stable. So it's a matter of testing that adhesive at the bottom, because if you're going to the water or you're putting it in your in a surfboard. And this one pivots. This one is really stable as well. So just make sure you align the magnets and the slot at the back of the GO360 camera, and then what happens is it will automatically latch, and you won't be able to remove it until you press the sides of the latch. So that I can attest that it's really stable. It won't fall. So you would have to just make sure that the bottom is also stable. And then with the necklace, there's a necklace too where you can put it under your shirt if you want, and it's still magnets. But here, let me show you first. So it releases it. That's it. So it releases only if you press it. The sides, the release button. But here's the necklace. It came with a white magnetic necklace, so it magnets. So you can hide it inside your shirt and then put the camera there if you need to shoot, and hands-free. And also, in order to record, it's very fast. So I'm just gonna go show you the quick recording. So you just have to click that top button with red, and it records right away. You just have to make sure that you look at the screen and it starts counting. But that's how to record it first.